All right. Now look at the case of compound microscope when the final image is formed at infinity. Okay. So I will draw the diagram here and we'll proceed with the derivation also. All right. So first of all, we'll draw the objective lens. Okay. And yeah, actually before that we will draw the principal axis. Final image to be formed at infinity. This is the focus of objective, center of curvature. By the way, the case 2 is the final image at infinity. Focus of objective 2f. Okay. So 2f4, 2f4. The object, I said, it is kept between f and, that's the case where the object is always kept between f and 2f is the object. AB. Okay, AB is the object kept between focus and optic center. All right, a ray parallel. After refraction, it will pass through the focus. Okay, focus. Another ray through the optic center. Okay, it's meeting at beyond 2f. Okay, so this part till here we drew it last case also, but from this onwards only there should be a change. That is the real inverted image formed. Okay, the image name is A dash, B dash. Now the next thing is you should position the next lens, which one? The eyepiece. Positioning it in such a way that this is supposed to fall at the focus. So this is the focus of eyepiece, FE. Look, this lens is the objective lens and this is eyepiece. What you do is you draw a ray parallel to this. Now, by the way, you have to mark focus on the other side also. Focus. Let's a little more. Focus of eyepiece. This light ray, after refraction, will pass into focus. Center of curvature again. After refraction, the light ray goes through the optic center. So what you observe is they're not meeting, go parallel. Okay, they go parallel, that is final image is infinity. Okay, like this. So now can you say the distances first? Let's write the distances. This is the object distance UO, image distance VO. As far as eyepiece is concerned, what's object distance for eyepiece? This object distance is nothing but the focal length, and image distance is infinity. Now let us look at the angles. Okay, the angle theta I. This is theta I because final image is at infinity. Theta O we have to define separately. This is theta O, AB. Okay, at a distance D, making an angle theta O. Okay, now the expression for magnifying power. Definition of magnifying power is theta I by theta O, which can also be written as tan theta by tan theta O, which we have defined before. Tan theta I for the diagram we can write what? Tan theta I, A dash B dash by how much? FE divided by tan theta O is AB by D. Okay. Now you know that A dash B dash by AB, we can rewrite this as A dash B dash by AB into T by F, FE. But A dash B dash by AB is nothing but V magnification of eyepiece. Sorry, magnification of objective lens. Okay. So we'll replace this with magnification produced by objective lens into D by FE. Magnification by objective lens is minus of, we did that, no, VO by UO into D by FE. Again, as I said before, VO can be replaced by L and UO can be replaced by the focal length of objective lens. They are approximately equal. So we can finally write the expression minus L by FO into D by F. This is the expression for the magnifying power of compound microscope when the final image is formed at infinity. Okay, at infinity. So in a conclusion, you can say the magnifying power for a compound microscope, if, okay, let me take it as a whole. So we are now finishing with the discussion of microscope. If it is simple microscope, M is what? 1 plus D by FE if the final image is, sorry, 1 plus D by F if the final image is at the least distance for distinguishing. And for a simple microscope, if the final image is at infinity, it is D by F. In a compound microscope, magnifying power is minus L by FO into 1 plus D by FE if the final image is at the least distance for distinguishing. And if the final image is at infinity, this is the equation. L by FO into D by FE. Hope it is clear. So we are now winding up with the discussion on microscope, both simple microscope and compound microscope we have done. Okay. So now again we'll meet you with telescope with in another session. Okay. So hope you understood the concept of microscope. What is expected to be done from your side is you keep drawing or practicing the drawing of ray diagrams of both the microscope, simple and compound, and the two derivations as well. Right. So see you with the next topic of telescopes later.